we planted the ginger, we wanted to enrich the soil. So, here the small farmers, they do not like wasting time. So, what we thought was, we have to enrich the soil, and at the same time we should generate some income. So, we thought to enrich the soil, we have to go for radish with beans. So, that is the best model we thought. So, that is how for this half acre, first we wanted to experiment. So, we made the raised beds 1 feet height and 2 feet width, and we have the drip lines in between. So, both the sides of the drip line we planted the radish crop. Every 1 feet we have planted, every half feet actually. So, every half feet both the sides we have planted radish, and in between every 4 feet we have planted this chili and marigold alternate. So, what we did, after 60 days alternately we have harvested. That means, I pluck the plant and leave the next radish, and then alternate plant I will pluck, so that I will sell them in the market. And also after some 120 days we have started selling the beans also. We have planted some beans and some French beans and also some cluster beans, so that they can fix the nitrogen, and these radish will fix the carbon, organic carbon in the soil, and the same time we will generate the income. So, we left the remaining plants in the soil itself, so that we did not harvest the radish, that we waited till the life cycle of the plant is over. After that we rotated the land, and then again we made the raised beds. Then we planted the ginger. So, the best time to plant the ginger is in between April first week till May last week. So, in the summer we planted the ginger, and then you can see the growth is, we do not use any chemicals, we do not use any fertilizers, we use only the Jivamrutam and Ghana Jivamrutam as cultures. So, this is how we got the result. This is a live example. Thank you.